Stick drift on a PS5 controller, DualSense, is a common issue where the analog sticks move on their own or register input without you touching them. Here are some ways to try and fix it. 1. Clean the analog stick. Dust and debris can get trapped under the analog stick, causing it to drift. Use compressed air to blow out any dust around the base of the stick. You can also use a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to clean around the edges of the stick. 2. Reset the controller. There's a small reset button on the back of the DualSense controller. Use a small tool, like a paper clip, to press and hold it for 5 seconds. This will reset the controller, which may help recalibrate the stick. 3. Update the controller's firmware. Connect your controller to your PS5 with a USB cable, and go to Settings, Accessories, Controllers. If there's a firmware update available, install it. Sometimes, software bugs cause stick drift, and updating may fix it. 4. Adjust controller dead zone in games. Some games allow you to adjust the controller's dead zone. Increasing the dead zone can help reduce the sensitivity around the center of the stick, which might lessen the drift effect. Check in settings or controller options within the game. 5. Disconnect and repair the controller. Go to Settings, Accessories, Bluetooth Accessories, and remove the controller from your PS5. Then, turn off the console, turn it back on, and repair the controller. 6. Calibrate the controller on a PC. If you have a PC, connect the controller via USB and try calibrating the analog sticks in the control panel devices and printers. Follow the prompts to see if it helps fix any drift issues. 7. Replace analog stick modules, Advanced. If you're comfortable with hardware fixes, you can open up the controller and replace the analog stick modules. This requires a replacement part and some technical skills. Warning: opening the controller voids the warranty, so only do this if you're experienced with electronics. 8. Contact Sony support. If your controller is under warranty, reach out to Sony's support team. They may replace or repair the controller for free. Regularly cleaning your controller and keeping it stored in a dust-free environment can help prevent stick drift from developing.